In a budding relationship, it's essential to strike the right balance between involvement and independence. While striving to be a great partner, remember to prioritize your self-esteem and personal needs. Engaging in self-affirmation practices can help. If you're not ready for physical intimacy, communicate your boundaries clearly, whether that means waiting until marriage or until you're exclusive. Maintaining a bit of mystery can keep the spark alive, so consider revealing personal details gradually. Avoid falling into the caretaker role by sharing household responsibilities and ensuring both partners' needs are prioritized equally. Financial decisions should be approached cautiously until marriage, so enjoy your relationship without rushing into commitments. It's important to address any issues openly to prevent resentment, and remember that maintaining your independence through hobbies and friendships is vital for your well-being. Finally, don't hesitate to lean on trusted friends for perspective on your relationship dynamics.